What do you think, Nova? Pretty sweet, huh?
Very sweet.
Now to put on the finishing touch. Just gonna make sure the honey's still sticky. Still delicious. I mean, sticky. Oh, whoops. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, 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 yep. Whoa. Ow.
Oh, that looks sore. Don't worry, Barrot. I'm gonna call Billie the Odd-Paw Vet.
Sore leg, honey everywhere. Got it. I'll be right there. I gotta go find Nova. An Odd-Paw needs my help. Can you keep an eye on things here? Hakeem and Melinda will be here soon.
The clinic's in safe paws.
You got this, Rox! An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set!
This jump for Billie.
The Odd-Paw Vet! Let's go! Billie the Odd-Paw Vet! This Odd-Paw needs more space. The Oddbulance is just the place. We've met this Odd-Paw before. Otoscope, let's go. Half bear, half parrot. This Odd-Paw is our friend, Barrot.
That's me. Now, who wants some honey? No one? Okay, all the more for me.
I think that's enough honey for now. He's got some bad swelling on his leg.
You've sprained your leg, but we'll get you back up on your paws. This way, through the Oddbulance doors.
Knock, knock. Oh, just in time. I need your help. Which of these dino doggy treats do you think I should add to the cake?
I'm not sure everyone loves dino doggy treats as much as you do, Rox.
Melinda's right, I'm afraid, buddy. Why not try some blueberries?
You're a genius!
Come on, we'll give you a hand.
Here, this cream will soothe the pain. Oh, we might need to clean off some of this honey first.
Oh, I hate to see good honey go to waste.
Care to do the honors, Nova?
I can do that. I'm a unicorn cat.
Now, it might take a little while to heal, so you'll need something to protect your leg.
What about this?
Where do you keep getting these?
What you need, Barrot, is a leg brace. You just pop your leg on it, then fasten it across the front. It'll support your leg.
Ooh, cozy.
And these crutches will help you walk.
Woohoo! Christmas is saved!
Speaking of Christmas, let's get back to the clinic. We're back! Everything okay?
Happy Christmas!
Wow! This looks amazing!
Just keep an eye out for dog treats.
Oh, it's perfect.
Almost perfect. There. Happy Christmas, everyone!
Oh, Barrot.
What?
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billie, the Odd-Paw Vet.
3,
2, 1.
showtime! Huh?
If you're waiting for the fireworks, then you're out of luck. Far too loud and unruly for my park, so I banned them.
Melinda, if you ban the fireworks, what's that?
Fireworks! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo!
not there. No, no.
Come on, team. That Odd-Paw's gonna need our help.
Especially if Melinda finds him before we do.
An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This job for Billy!
The Odd-Paw Vet. Let's go! Billy the Odd-Paw Vet.
What a mess! Who is responsible for this?
Maybe we can help clean it up.
Really? You do that?
Yeah.
Leave it up to the dino pup.
I'll deal with that. I'm a unicorn cat. Billy, look.
Why don't we split up to cover more ground? Rox, you help Melinda clean up over there. While Nova and I start by the rock wall, for no particular reason.
Are those words he's saying?
I think we might have to lean in close to hear this tiny Odd-Paw.
Let me go, Wall. I'm warning you. I will ram you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. No need for ramming, little guy. We're here to help. But first, otoscope. Let's go. Half rhino, half hamster. This Odd-Paw is a Ramster. Now, let's see about getting you out of this mess. I'm gonna try pulling gently. Let me know if this hurts.
A bit to the left. Now, half a bit to the right. Now, what was that?
Nothing. Just, stubbed my toe.
Now, where was I? Oh, yeah, a scooch to the left.
Okay, I see now that horn is extra sensitive. If only we had a way to loosen the plaster around it.
Perhaps I can lend a horn to help his horn.
Great thinking, Nova. Gotcha.
That Wall is so lucky. I was just about to ram it.
Right. I think we should get you back to the clinic to see what's going on with your horn.
I'll get an odd carrier.
And we should get a splint on you for safe travel. Aha! This splint will hold your sore horn in place. There you go. How's that feel?
Like I want to ram it.
In you go.
Oh, hi, Melinda. We were, just going back to the clinic for cleaning supplies.
Okay, but hurry. Lots to do still.
No wonder you're in a ramming mood, Ramster. You've got a broken horn. It's going to need a cast.
Cast? That sounds painful. No way.
Well, maybe you could focus on something else while we work. Oh, how about you tell us how you ended up on that rocket in the first place?
Well, I was minding my own business in the odd woods when I came across a wooden crate beside the road. I was just about to ram it when I saw the perfect curly wood shaving for my den. I tried to pull it out, but it wouldn't budge, which made me want to
Ram it?
I tried everything. Finally, I had no choice but to ram it. Right. Oh, hey, this feels pretty good. Thanks.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy, the Odd-Paw Vet.
Sunflower seed, a Ramster's favorite snack. Oh, hey, get back here! Oh, no spiky bush is gonna keep me from that delicious seed.
Odd-Paws big and Odd-Paws small. At the Care Clinic, we treat you all. Oh, hi. Back again so soon? Place your paw on the... Now wait for it. It's my new extra special Care Clinic welcome. What do you think? Patient prefers glitter.
Looks like we have a new patient.
An Odd-Paw needs help. Get it at set.
This job for Billie.
The Odd-Paw Vet. Let's go! Billie the Odd-Paw Vet.
Just this way, please.
We've met this Odd-Paw before. Otoscope, let's go. Half rhino, half hamster. This Odd-Paw is our friend Ramster. And it looks like you've gotten yourself into another jam.
I was trying to eat a sunflower seed when... flying cone! I'm so angry!
Yeah, I see. Well, let's see what we can do to help.
I'll deal with that. I'm a unicorn cat.
Thanks, Nova. So fast.
Yep, it's my New Year's resolution to be more helpful than ever.
And it's my New Year's resolution to create the perfect welcome moment for our patients, no matter how many ideas I have to try.
I would have gone with drool-less, but hey, it's your resolution.
What's your revolution?
A resolution is when we try to do one thing better than ever in the new year. Now, let's see if we can clean out those cheeks of yours. Uh-huh. And there we go. Ah, there. How's that feel?
Much better. Thanks, Billie.
You're welcome. But I have to warn you, Ramster, this cleaning wipe may sting a little. And in the past...
Pain makes you very angry.
Wow! Very good, Ramster. You didn't get angry at all.
Nope. I've decided to make my own New Year's resolution. I'm not gonna get angry anymore. Then maybe I won't hurt myself so much.
Oh, that's great. But don't be too hard on yourself if it takes a little practice to get it right. Resolutions can be tricky.
I'm gonna smash this resolution! No. It's okay.
Patient prefers watercolors. Patient prefers rock and roll.
I give up! I've tried not to get angry, but I'm still ending up here as much as ever!
Well, hang on a minute.
Huh?
I've only tried 4 special welcomes this week, and I planned way more.
But Rox, doesn't that mean...
Exactly. Ramster, you really haven't been here as much lately.
So I'm improving?
Yep.
Yay! Group hug!
Patient loves hugs.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met! Way to go, Billie, the Odd-Paw Vet!
9, 10, 11.
Need somewhere to hide. Come on! Think! My hair!
29, 30. Ready or not, here I come.
No time! Great! Bunny Gone will have no idea where I am! Wait, I have no idea where I am. I'm lost!
Time to top up your sunscreen, Rox. You gotta rub it in.
Can you show me how exactly?
Like this.
Oh, that tickles.
Wait, did you just trick me into a free belly rub?
Billy! Billy!
Hey, Bunny Gone. What's up?
I lost my friend Fleep. We were playing hide and seek and he hid too well. I can't find him anywhere.
Yikes. Don't worry. We'll help you find him. Come on, team.
An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This job for Billy!
The Odd-Paw Vets.
Let's go!
Billy the Odd-Paw Vet.
Keep an eye out for... Oh, wait. Who are we looking for exactly?
Fleep. He's pink, fluffy, really long legs. Sounds like a sheep. Pink, fluffy, long-legged sheep friend, right ahead.
Odyssey, let's go. Half flamingo, half sheep. This Odd-Paw is a please.
Oh, you had me so worried. Are you okay?
I feel kind of dizzy and hot.
I'm not surprised with all that fur and the scorching sun.
I'd normally cool off in my favorite pond, but being lost makes that kind of tricky.
I think you might be dehydrated.
Dehydrated?
Dehydrated. It means you've not had enough water, which is really important on a hot day.
Oh! I knew that.
But we'll get you back up on your paws. This way, through the Oddbulance doors.
Phew. It's good to get out of the sun. Hey, good looking.
Here, it's the closest thing we have to a pond.
Now that's good. Any chance of a fruit smoothie?
What you need is water.
I'll deal with that. I'm a unicorn cat.
And you need some sugar to get your energy back.
So I take it that's a yes to the fruit smoothie.
I've got something much better. Rehydration tablets. They're full of vitamins, minerals, nutrients, everything you need to feel better again. And they fizz.
It's so pretty.
Don't drink it too fast, though. You'll get a tummy ache.
Take my time. Got it.
You can drink it a little faster than that.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, yeah. I do feel better.
Now, all that's left to do is sort out that sunburn of yours.
That's just his flamingo half rocks. They're always pink.
Well, you can never be too careful.
Perfect. You're all good to go.
Aw, thanks, Billy. I'll look where I'm going next time I play hide and seek.
Next time, we're still playing, and you're it.
One, two, three.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy, the Odd-Paw Vet.
It's perfect. Can't you just see it all? We'll do our stargazing over here. Our snacks will go here. Oh, we'll play games in this area. We'll do our singing over here. And our, business way over there. And best of all, we'll toast marshmallows right here. What do you think?
We love it.
Love it! This is gonna be the best sleepover party ever! stand back. Things are about to get toasty. Oh. Ooh, let me show you the best way to toast a marshmallow.
But fire is hot. You'll hurt yourself.
Be careful, Bunny Gone. You're getting too close to the fire.
Woohoo!
One more.
Actually, I think...
Be careful.
Oh,
No.
Uh-oh. Billy! I heard a big shout coming from the Odd Woods. Going to check it out.
A big shout? Oh no. Please send the location now. An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set!
This job's for Billy!
The Odd-Paw Vet! Let's go! Billy the Odd-Paw Vet!
Is everyone okay?
not quite.
Our friend burned his paws.
He got too close to the fire.
Don't worry. Billy the Odd-Paw Vet is on her way. She can help. And here she is.
We've met before. Oddscope, let's go. Half bunny, half dragon. This Odd-Paw is our friend, Bunny Gone. And it looks like you've had a little accident.
I was warming up the marshmallow fire for our sleepover, and I got too close.
I'm afraid these burns look serious. We'll need to treat them back at the care clinic.
But our sleepover!
You should go with Billy, Bunny Gone. Your paws are the most important thing right now.
Fine, but wait for me. I'll be right back after Billy makes me better.
Nice and easy, team. Burns can be very sensitive. Okay, let's see what the scanner tells us. Just as I suspected, you have 4 burned paws that need treating.
Only 4? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah!
First things first, we need to cool the burn. Can you still fly?
Uh-huh.
This way, please.
I assume you have some kind of super fast cooling gadget for this?
I guess a sink is kind of a gadget. A little cool water on each paw will bring the temperature down.
Aw, you know, if you had a fire hose, we could cool all 4 paws at once.
Rox, could you gently dry Bunny Gone's paws while I go get some healing cream and bandages?
Leave it up to the dino pup. You sure are in a big hurry to get back to the sleepover. It's just that, well, it's my first ever sleepover.
This cream will help with the healing, but I'm afraid you'll have to stay off those paws for the rest of the night.
All night? But my sleepover!
Don't worry, Bunny Gone. We'll keep you company. Right, team? Team? Hey, where'd they go? You'll feel better when we get you upstairs to the recovery room.
I guess. Huh?
Ah, so this is where my caring crew got off to.
We thought that since Bunny Gone couldn't make it to his sleepover...
The sleepover could come to him without the, campfire, of course.
Thank you! Aw, and you're all invited. It's gonna be the best sleepover ever!
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy, the Odd-Paw Vet.
Such beauty, such style, such grace. Shame I've got no pals here to appreciate how great I look. Especially on Palentine's Day. Or maybe I do. Ha! There. You're the second most handsome fleep in the flock. Wait, 2 doesn't count as a flock. We'll soon fix that. Now that's a sight for sore eyes. Owie! I'm covered in splinters. Ouch! And I'm hideous. No!
Well, that doesn't sound good. Everything okay over here?
Huh, it's far from okay. I look horrible.
Copy that, Nova. We're on our way. Rocks!
Rocks?
Happy Palentine's Day, Billy.
Happy Palentine's Day, Rocks. But we gotta go. An Odd-Paw needs our help. An Odd-Paw needs help. Get set!
This job for Billy.
The Odd-Paw Vet! Let's go! Billy the Odd-Paw Vet! This Odd-Paw needs more space. The Oddbulance is just the place.
Billy, you gotta help me. It's a prickly, stickly style emergency.
We've met this Odd-Paw before. Otoscope, let's go. Half flamingo, half sheep. This Odd-Paw is our friend, Fleep. Don't worry, Fleep. We'll get you cleaned up and splinter-free in no time. Team, let's get our long-legged friend into the Oddbulance and back to the care clinic.
Right this way, sir.
It's this one, Rocks.
Oh. Right this way, sir.
I'll be back soon, my Fleep friends, in full health and looking better than ever. Hoo-hoo! I get my own catwalk. Smile for the cameras. Ah, that's not me, is it? Tell me that's not me.
It's okay, Fleep. We've dealt with much messier Odd-Paws in this clinic. You're in safe hands.
I trust you.
But first, we've got to sort out those splinters. Nova?
I'll deal with that. I'm a unicorn cat.
Now I'm gonna need you to stay very, very still.
I can't promise anything.
Yow! Ah!
You're doing great. And, and done.
Huh. Well, that wasn't so bad. Stingy, stingy!
I'm sorry. This antiseptic wash will help keep it clean and heal faster.
It's okay. I'm a brave Fleep. Deep breaths. Come on. You got this.
Now, if you'd like to pass through to our salon, Rocks and Nova will clean up that wool of yours.
Now this is what I'm talking about. Nope. No. No way. Haha, I look and feel amazing. Thank you. I can't wait to show the tree fleeps.
Why did you make all those tree fleeps, by the way?
Well, it's Palentine's Day, and I didn't have any fleep pals, so I made some.
You don't have to be friends with just fleeps, you know. You've got 3 pals right here.
And we like you a whole lot more than a bunch of trees do.
I don't know what to say. This is the best Palentine's Day ever.
I just forgot one thing. Here you go.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy, the Odd-Paw Vet.
This pancake pop-up was a brilliant idea. The whole town will be swinging by. Whoop, forgot napkins. Don't go anywhere.
Looks like it's my lucky day. Ha! Gotcha. One at a time? Not with these jumpers. Ah!
What was that noise? Oh, where did my pancakes go? Oh,
Burned paws, burned tongue, and a lot of gobbled up pancakes. Got it, Hakeem. We're on our way.
Go long, Nova. Go long. Yeah.
Too long!
Oh, my favorite toy.
We'll have to get it later, guys. There's an Odd-Paw that needs our help.
I'll come back for you.
An Odd-Paw needs help.
Get it at set!
This job for Billy.
The Odd-Paw Vet. Let's go! Billy the Odd-Paw Vet. Hi, Hakeem.
thanks for coming so quickly, Billy. It's an Odd-Paw emergency. And a pancake emergency.
Just gonna give you a quick scan. Otoscope, let's go. Half raccoon, half crocodile. This Odd-Paw is a raccoonadile. What happened here, buddy?
It was an accident, I swear. I was walking along and a gust of wind blew the pancakes into my hands and my mouth. What? It happens all the time.
Well, whatever happened, you've got some nasty burns. We'll get you back up on your paws this way through the Oddbulance doors.
I'm gonna stay here. Got a lot of pancakes to remake.
Sorry.
First thing we've got to do is cool those burns down. We'll need a big tub of water and some ice cubes.
No, I can do that. I'm a unicorn cat. Water.
That feels so good.
I didn't quite catch that.
I said that feels.
Whoa, crocodile mouths are super hard to keep open. He must be getting tired.
Rox, you might need to help him out.
Leave it up to the dino pup. You're not gonna bite me, are you? I'm really not very tasty.
Don't worry, Rox. He's more of a pancake biter than a dino pup biter.
Okay, that should be enough. Let's get you dried off.
It still stings.
I know, but that's what this is for. Billy's Brilliant Burn Cream. Last but not least, you're gonna need some bandages. There. You'll be back to normal in just a few days.
Pancakes are back on the menu, team. I've left these ones to cool down a little.
Whoa! You're the best, Hakeem. And, sorry for stealing the first batch. Thanks. Wait, I can't use my paws. How am I gonna eat? Oh, this is the worst day ever.
I know how you feel. My favorite toy is lying in a pond right now. I'll never play catch again.
You know, I might just have an idea that could solve both your problems.
Great idea, Hakeem. Delicious.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met.
Way to go, Billy, the Odd-Paw Vet.
Good morning, local wildlife. Let's see. Frog feet and weight of an elephant. According to my Odd-Paw scrapbook,
you're an Elefrog. You know, I think I'm getting the hang of this Odd-Paw thing. Okay, now, who are you? Pointy quills and... Wait, pointy quills and what? Barrot? No. Ramster? No. Raccoonadile? No. Butterfly? No. Fleep? No. Could it be a new Odd-Paw? I must know. Aha! Now I gotcha. Pointy quills and... No! No! Would you mind getting out of that hole so I can get a better look at you?
Huh? Who's there?
Whoa!
Billie the Odd-Paw Vets. If it's odd, we're your squad. I see. Interesting. Very interesting. You don't say. Yes, I think we have oven mitts.
An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set!
This job for Billie!
The Odd-Paw Vets! Let's go! Billie the Odd-Paw Vets! Melinda should be around here somewhere.
There she is.
Thank goodness you're here.
What happened, Melinda?
Huh? Is someone there?
Looks like we're dealing with a nervous Odd-Paw.
I tried to help him, but he must be frightened.
Ouch, those hands look painful. Nova, can you help Melinda with some soothing cream while Rox and I get to know our new friend?
I'll deal with that. I'm a unicorn cat.
Hi, friend. I'm Billie, the Odd-Paw Vet. Is it okay if we see who you are under there?
Okay, I guess.
Otoscope, let's go. That's odd, and not in the good way. The ground is interfering with the otoscope, but I'm sure we can still help, even if we only have half the picture. Little Odd-Paw, could you tell us what happened?
I was out looking for nuts, but I don't see very well during the day, and I fell in a hole and got stuck. I've been trying to get myself out, but...
Your pointy quills have you stuck. Don't worry, I think I can pull you out gently.
But what about my quills?
Oh, I think we have that covered.
Oven mitts.
Thank you, Rox.
Oh, I can't wait to record a brand new Odd-Paw in my scrapbook. Oh no! I must have dropped it while I was chasing the mystery Odd-Paw. I'll be right back.
Ah, your quills are really dug in there. Wait, that's it! We just need to make the hole bigger. Then you should come right out. If only we had an expert in hole digging.
Wait, I'm an expert at digging.
You did it, Rox. Now, let's see who we're dealing with. Otoscope, let's go. Half squirrel, half hedgehog. This Odd-Paw is a squedgehog.
Thank you very much.
Look!
I think the little guy wore himself out trying to get out of that hole.
I think you're right, Nova. We'll take him back to the care clinic where he can rest up until he's feeling all better again.
I'll get the odd carrier.
His quills are tickly.
Good work, team. He'll be just fine after a little rest.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billie, the Odd-Paw Vet.
Wait! Who was the mystery Odd-Paw? I must know! Pointy quills and what?
Ah, my favorite book. The Rockin' Book of Ramster Tales. Once upon a Tim? Who's Tim? There once was a Ramster lived in a why did they print the words so small? Big old wobble on the longest. No! It's okay. I'm okay. Whoa! Ow! My head. Oh, I better go see Billie the Odd-Paw Vet.
Remember what you promised Billy. No napping. Go away, Snuggle Flumps. What? Who's there?
I'm down here.
So you are. Whoa, I've never seen a horn with a book growing out of it. Follow me into the clinic. Hey, look! I'm a guide dino dog.
Hey, Rox, you got a new Odd-Paw patient for us.
What? Who said that? Who's there?
That'd be me.
Ha! Hey, Billy.
We've met this Odd-Paw before. Otoscope, let's go. Half rhino, half hamster, this Odd-Paw is our friend, Ramster. Oh, don't worry, little guy. We'll get you fixed up in no time. An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This job's for Billy.
The Odd-Paw Vets. Let's go. Billie the Odd-Paw Vet. Just gotta get this book off first. Nice and careful. And an ice pack for that bump on your head.
Whoa. Thanks, Billy. Okay. See you later.
Wait. Hold on a minute. You didn't tell us how this happened in the first place.
Oh, right, yeah. Well, I was reading my favorite book, but the writing was so small. I tried to get a closer look. Fell over, got it stuck on my horn, fell off the branch and bumped my head. Then I came here and fell over a bunch more times.
I think I see the problem. You need an eye test. Rox, fetch the chart, please.
Leave it up to the dino pup.
Eye test? There's nothing wrong with my eyes.
I think you might even need glasses. Here, can you tell me what this is?
A trumpet.
And this?
The sun?
I'm afraid they're actually fruits.
Uh-oh.
Don't worry, Ramster. Glasses are nothing to be afraid of. In fact, they make you look kind of awesome. Whoa! If you have the right lenses, that is.
Nova's right. No one's eyes are the same. So we gotta pick the right pair of lenses for your eyes. Here, just look through the holes and tell me what I'm pointing at. Lens number 1.
Tennis ball?
No. Let's try lens number 2.
Cabbage.
Closer, but no. Lens number 3.
Ah, easy. It's an apple.
No, no, I mean, yes, you got it. These lenses are just perfect for your eyes.
See? Told you my eyesight was fine.
Nova, if you could fetch our finest pair of number 3 lenses, please.
I'll deal with that. I'm a unicorn cat.
I can see. I can read. Thanks, Billy.
You're welcome, Ramster.
Now, where was I? A little help.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy, the Odd-Paw Vet.